How to create an account on Darasani. In order to create an account on Darasani, you first visit Darasani via its homepage, darasani.com, or you simply Google Darasani. Once you're on the homepage, this is how it appears. So if you have an account, you're expected to use the top bar where you're expected to input your username, password, and login. However, if this is the first time coming onto Darasani, you need to first create your account. To do so, the very first thing you do, you either choose create an account, and by choosing that, the interface for filling in your details, including your full names, email address, phone number, and preferred password, pops up from which you can be able to sign up. Alternatively, if you have a Gmail account, you can simply select sign in with Google, which is what I'm going to do at the moment. So upon selecting sign in with Google, you will be taken to a prompt where you're expected to select your Google account, upon which you log in. Once logged in, you will be redirected to an interface that appears as such. So in this interface, what it allows you to do, it allows you to start creating your network. The network is a group of peers that are either mentors or mentees, or what we can refer to as classmates on your Darasa. So by following peers that you know, you will be able to get recommendations for your Darasa, and these recommendations will allow you to easily find your Darasa on Darasani. Thank you.